Alright, boys, I'm gonna see if I can pull this off in this video here, okay? 9-inch call, sensitive program silencer 1, fast program silencer 1. Okay, speed 1 in both. You're gonna see 2 nails there I've shoved in the side of this hole here, one on each side there. You see that? Now that hole's probably a tad over 6 inches deep, right? Now, there's no non-ferrous target down there. I'm holding this $50 silver, okay? Now, what I could do is I could ground balance this machine. Okay, you got an 80 in the window. Okay, so now I'm sweeping. You get to hear that machine. Now it's coming, that's a sensitive program. So you get to hear that. Now that hole is open now. I'm crossing like so. Now I'm crossing the nails down there, okay? Back over here. Let you hear the behavior of that machine. Alright. Fast program. Okay, so we hear iron tone. We get a little falsing right there, okay? Now, let's see if I can pull this off here. That half is in there now, boys. What happens? Fast program. So you get to hear the fast program from there. What about the old sensitive program set up as the bird dog? You hear that? We didn't hear that before that $50 went down there, did we? Okay, now I'm going to turn on the target here. This is the bird dog setup, sensitive. Fast program. See, it's hard for me to show this, you know, with dirt in the hole, and probably nobody would believe me, okay? Fast program again with the old half in there. There's best achievable signal. Got that old 1 locked up in the meter, boys. Sensitive program. Straight over the top. Well, if I heard that in the wild and I turned and I seen that, I might dig, huh? Got that 80, 81 in the meter. Alright? Just sharing data, boys and girls, that's all. Hope you enjoyed.